someone.
What did they say?
In service.
Did they say in service?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not
Did they say in service?
That was funny. That guy just said in service.
So what did you think about this place? You gotta find the hotel. I mean, you gotta find the, come on. Find the elevator. Down this way. Hurry up. Wait, don't bump into people. Come on, let's say bye to the fountain. Say bye, fountain.
Playing Guitar Hero.
Okay. Say bye, O'Malley's Pub. Did you say bye to O'Malley's Pub? Come on. Thank you for serving us with food, music, and sports. Come on. Come on. Before we go in.
Let's go.
Take 9. Take 9, please.